Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use OmeTV with a friend using DuoMeet. So first, open your browser and go to the Chrome web store. Then search for DuoMeet and click Add to Chrome. After that, click on the extension icon and open DuoMeet. Then click Open OmeTV and wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, click on DuoMeet plus icon and select Start Duo. After a few seconds, you will see an invite link. So copy that link and send it to your friend. For this video, I will open a new OmeTV tab and paste the invite link. After that, the DuoMeet website will open and within a few seconds, your OmeTV screen will show your friend. For this video, I am using my real webcam for myself and OBS virtual camera as my friend in another browser. Then once everything is connected, simply press start and both of you will be connected with strangers together. So you and your friend will be able to see and chat with same strangers without an issue. I hope this video helped you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.